Wait, are you a manufacturer losing leads because nobody can find you online? Watch this. Right now, 94% of industrial buyers start their search on Google. If your company isn't showing up, you're invisible. Trade shows? Referrals? They're not enough anymore. But here's the exciting part. With the right SEO strategy, your website can work like a 24/7 sales rep, bringing in qualified leads while you sleep. Manufacturing SEO isn't your typical marketing trick. We're talking technical keywords engineers actually search for, like custom CNC machining services or precision die casting. It's about building in-depth product pages, downloadable guides, and earning backlinks from real industry directories. A general agency might miss all this, but a specialized manufacturing SEO agency, we know your sector, we speak your language, and we know how to get you ranked where it matters. Imagine doubling your qualified traffic in 6 months. One of our clients went from invisible to dominating page 1 in 3 countries, just by optimizing their site, mapping keywords, and fixing technical issues. It's measurable, it's sustainable, and it gives you a huge competitive edge. So if you're serious about growth, don't wait. Hit that link in the description. Grab your free SEO visibility audit, and let's turn your manufacturing website into a lead generation machine. Get found, get leads, get ahead.